Hi, I'm Prasanth Peddaayyavarla. I'm the Head of Data Science at NHS Arden GEM CSU. In my 15 years of experience at various NHS-related organizations, I've been responsible for the delivery of a range of analytical tools, statistical analysis, and machine learning models. I've led several initiatives at the NHS, including the development of an early warning tool for diabetes in Bedfordshire, Luton, and Milton Keynes. As a testament to my commitment to advancing healthcare data practices, I was honored to be a featured speaker at the virtual NHS Data Conference in 2023. And now I would love to share my knowledge with those who want to learn more about data analytics in the healthcare field. I'm excited to be teaching the Healthcare Analytics course together with Elevator. This course is designed for various professionals. Everyone from healthcare experts and healthcare analysts looking to expand their business impact to recent graduates who want to expand their knowledge. Throughout 14 lessons, we will dive into the world of data analysis in healthcare and learn how to follow the fundamentals of healthcare data literacy, ask the right healthcare data collection questions for analysis, identify and avoid biases that may affect the decision-making process, and understand practical statistical models for predicting. I'm committed to empowering you with the skills needed to make informed decisions. I will teach you how to apply an integrated approach to decision making, use spreadsheet for mathematical modeling, and cultivate critical thinking skills to tackle healthcare issues with confidence. We will dive into the specifics of using Excel for healthcare data analysis, and for those of you who are familiar with the software or just want a challenge, we will also learn the basics of using Tableau and Power BI to effectively share your insights to stakeholders. With home assignments, you'll get a chance to practice everything that we have covered in class on your own. I'll provide my personal feedback on the assignments that are detailed and actionable so that you can put these principles into action immediately. We'll also have office hours once a week so that you can bring all your content-related questions. Ready to further your impact on healthcare? Start your journey today and be a part of a community committed to driving positive change through insightful analytics. I'm incredibly excited to be teaching this course and I can't wait to see you in class.